Let's talk about the tutorial trap. It's something almost every beginner and honestly, a lot of experienced devs fall into. You start with one course. Maybe it's Python. Then you hop to a React playlist. Then you see a flashy video about Rust and think, wow, I need to learn that too. And you do learn, sort of. You follow along, you copy the code, maybe you even understand it. It feels productive. You feel like you're leveling up. But here's the hard truth. You're not building anything original. You're not solving problems. You're not thinking like a developer. You're just copying instructions. It's like watching gym videos and thinking you've worked out. This is the illusion of progress. Tutorials are great for learning syntax, for getting your feet wet. But if all you ever do is follow along, you're not actually applying anything. You get stuck in this loop. New language, new course, new project, but never your own ideas. You don't ship. You don't struggle. And struggle is where real growth happens. The goal is not to build what someone else built. The goal is to take what you've learned, break it, bend it, and use it to build something you care about. So how do you escape the tutorial trap? Simple. Build your own stuff. Even if it's small. Even if it's bad. Clone a website you like, make a to-do app, but with your own features. Solve a problem you have, no matter how dumb it seems. It'll feel harder at first, because it is harder. But that's where the magic happens. That's when you go from someone who knows code to someone who can actually build things. So finish that tutorial, sure, but then close the tab. Open a blank file and start thinking for yourself.